This is a teardown of a Teamgroup L7 series 120 gigabyte SATA SSD. I think that Evo actually might be part of the model too. It's really filthy. I'm not sure which one of those is the part and model number. But this is a very budget-oriented SSD, it feels like, because it's just solid plastic. And we'll see if we can crack this beast open. Very brittle plastic too. There we go. And not much to see on this one. We got 2 chips and a controller. I think that's a Marvell. So that's their logo. 88NV1120-BTZ2 for the brains of the drive. And then we got this chip here. CHGD 8U5D. Yeah. Looks like some programming pads on the side, or test probes. The power regulation there, or power regulation there. Yeah, nice tiny little PCB. That's kind of what I expect to see when I'm tearing apart a newer solid state drive. So hopefully that's interesting, and thanks for watching.